Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online classes. I hope you all are enjoying your online classes. So, in my last video, we had discussed the fill in the blanks, match the following columns, and tick the correct option. That means question number A, B, and C of chapter 2, that is plants around us. Today we will discuss question number D and E of the same chapter. In question number D and E, questions are given and you have to write the answers of these questions. So D number is answer the following questions in brief. So this is the short answer type question. Let us see. Question number 1 is state the function of a leaf. Answer is leaf makes food for the plant. Question number 2. Write the role of the root of a tree. We have discussed the function of all the parts of plant. Now, so here you have to write the role of roots. Answer is root fixes the plant with the soil and absorbs water for it. Question number 3. What type of stem do climbers have? Do you remember? Yes, climbers have very weak and thin stem. That is why they cannot stand straight. No, that is why they need support. So the answer is they are very weak and thin stem. Question number 4. State the difference between the stem of a shrub and a herb. So you have to write difference between the stem of shrub and herb. So here it is the stem of shrub and this side it is herb. See what are the differences? First difference is that shrubs have woody stem, that means hard stem, but herbs have green and no woody stem. Their stem is green in color and that is not hard also. And second difference is that shrubs have stronger stem and herbs have comparatively weaker stem. So the stem of herbs are weaker than the stem of shrub. Now it comes question number E. Answer the following questions. This is the long answer type question. Question number 1 is draw and label different parts of a plant. I hope you have drawn this picture earlier also, practiced this also. No. So once again you have to draw this picture, a plant, and label all its parts. Question number 2. Write any 3 features of a tree. So we have discussed a lot about tree. Let us discuss once again what are the 3 features. 3 features of a tree are as follows. Number 1, trees are big plants. Number 2, their stem is woody and strong. And third feature is what? Many branches come out of the trunk. Question number 3. Write the differences between a tomato plant and a grass. Let us differentiate. Here this tomato plant and this side it is all about grass. So the first difference is that tomato plant is a herb and grass is a creeper. Second, it can stand erect. So herbs can stand erect. If you remember, only climbers and creepers, they cannot stand erect. So tomato plant, it can stand erect. But grass, it creeps on the ground. It cannot stand erect. Next question is, why do some plants creep on the ground? Answer is, some plants creep on the ground because they have very weak and thin stem. Since they are very weak and thin stem, so they cannot stand erect, and that's why they creep on the ground. Now, here is your assignment. What you have to do? You have to write question number D and E in your classwork copy, putting today's date. And in your homework copy, you have to do what? You have to learn question number A, B, C, which we had discussed in our last video, and then write it also in your homework copy. So learn and write. Write yourself. Don't refer classwork copy for writing. First you have to learn and then you have to write. In my next, on the date of our next class, I will give you the PDF of question number D and E. If you are feeling problem to note down the questions and answers from this video, you can copy it from there also. So questions and answers I will give you there, and also I'll give you the value-based questions of chapter 2. Earlier you are not having these value-based questions, but now from standard 3 onwards you have value-based questions in all the chapters of all the subjects. Do you know what is the purpose of these value-based questions? Its purpose is to explain you the value of living positively. It enables you to differentiate between good and bad qualities and adopt good qualities in your life. So these are very important in your life. In this type of question, that means in value-based questions, there remains one story in which situations are given, and you have to find out the positivity. Positivity means the good quality of the particular character. So in my PDF, I will give you the content, the story of this value-based question, and also I will give you the questions and answers of those questions. So you have to copy these questions and answers also in your classwork copy. Thank you.